Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Many iPhone users are reporting that when they try to log in to Messenger app, they fail to log in. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix this error on iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. Solution number 1. Reset location and privacy. To reset location and privacy, launch Settings, then go to General, scroll down and tap Reset and tap Reset Location and Privacy. Solution number 2. Set automatically date and time. To do that, launch Settings, go to General, tap Date and Time and enable Set Automatically. Solution number 3. Reset network setting. For that, launch Settings, then go to General, then Reset and tap Reset network settings. Put your passcode and tap again Reset network setting to confirm your action. Solution number 4. Remove and reinstall the app. Tap and hold the Messenger app. Tap Delete app. After that, open App Store and re-download the app. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.